Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I wanted to share with you some of my tips on how to save on yarn and avoid splurging, especially now in a time where we don't know what's for tomorrow. So best is to enjoy the present moment. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I've done few projects. Some I'm using, some I've given away, and others I've gifted. Some are still with me, whether completed or not. So I decided, since I have new project ideas and few things I'm doing for the near future, I will be reusing the ones that I have. So one of these projects is this blanket, which I'm gonna unravel. Especially it has amazing colors, and it's one of the projects which I can undo and use the yarn for other things. Usually what I'll do, I'll make the yarn into a ball like this one, and then it helps getting the yarn straight again, and it keeps the shape because at the end it's a good quality yarn, and then you can reuse it. It's like a new yarn. Another way, which I saw some time ago in a video, where a man buys knitted sweaters from thrift stores, and he unravels them and uses them to make new projects. And you know, it's not even $10 or $9. He says that it's like 90 cents or $1 sweater, and it's all cashmere and, you know, good quality sweaters, and he's just using that as his yarn, and it's amazing. I'll put the video link in the description box if you're interested to see the video. It's a must-watch video. It's amazing. And you know, he doesn't use any acrylic or any, you know, synthetic yarn. He uses good quality ones. So this is one of the ideas. Instead of buying expensive yarn, and we know like the nice colors and nice texture yarns are very expensive nowadays, and you know, with whatever is happening, it's better to save a little money. So this is a short video, and some tips on how I use and reuse my yarn. I hope this is helpful, and let me know what you think. If you have any other ideas, let me know. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.